So Charlie, you're involved in supporting this event, Coast Along for Water Aid. Would you like to tell us a bit about it?
Well, I've been involved with Water Aid for over 10 years now, and the reason I got involved was because water's such a major thing for everybody. You know, you need it not only to survive but to stay clean, and I think we're very spoilt in this country because we just turn on a tap and it's there, and you don't realise in other parts of the world, people have got to walk miles and carry it. And if you carry a bucket of water, and that's only got about 5 gallons in, it's very heavy. And, you know, it tends to be women and children that are going to collect the water. And they're carrying sort of 20 kilos, which is like your suitcase when you go on holiday. And, you know, that's a drag just pulling it behind you on wheels, let alone carrying it on your head or on your waist or something like that. So I'm doing this Coast Along walk, which I'm looking forward to doing. I'm dragging some family and friends along for my birthday. So rather than buy me any more clutter for the house, they're going to donate money to Water Aid. So we're going to walk along the coast.
So Coast Along for Water Aid, what does it entail?
Well, the Coast Along event is for anyone really. There's lots of different sections along the southwest coastal walk and also the Pembrokeshire coastal walk, and it's in sections, and there's lots of different sort of levels from easy through to strenuous. I think we're going to be doing a medium bit because we've got a mixture of ages, so I can see there'll be a few moans and groans if it's too strenuous, and anyone can do it. You can go as a group or just on your own with your dog, and it's just beautiful walking along the coast anyhow, especially if you've watched any of those walking programs that have been on recently. Lots of coastal walks and that, and you know, it's there to raise money for Water Aid.
These sections, how long are they?
The sections of the walk vary from about 4 miles up to about 15 miles, depending on how strenuous they are, or you know, how far you want to walk, how much time you've got to walk them. So if you go onto the website, which is coastalongforwateraid.org, it's all listed on there, the different sections, and you know, where you can park up and what's available nearby and that side of things, and how to raise money. This is the 3rd Coast Along, and I know that, you know, each year they've raised more and more money, and as this is going to be the biggest one so far, I think they're aiming for about £100,000, so it'll be good if we get to that, or even better if we get even more than that, but we'll have to wait and see.
So it's all around the South West Coast Path and the Pembrokeshire Coast Path in Wales.
Pembrokeshire's a new one for the Coast Along event this year, and I have to say that's got to be stunning because it's much more of a rugged coastline, and for those people that like walking, it's definitely a beautiful spot to go for a walk.